Hello guys, in this video we will study about conventional machining and non-conventional machining process. Firstly, I am sorry for my handwriting. बहुत अच्छी तो नहीं है पर इसलिए मैं लास्ट में एक नोट्स वाला भी ऐड कर दूंगी। अगर आपको इससे समझ में आया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो मैं तो बता ही दे रही हूँ। Conventional machining process macroscopic chip removal take place. Whereas in non-conventional machining process, microscopic level machining process takes place. In conventional machining, there is direct contact between tool and workpiece, due to which wear occurs. Whereas in non-conventional machining, there is no direct contact between tool and workpiece. In this, LBM laser beam is used for removing material, and AJM, which is abrasive jet machining, in which abrasive particles are used to remove material from the workpiece. Conventional machining process, tool life is very less as compared to non-conventional machining process. Mechanical energy or forces are used for material removal from workpiece in conventional machining process. Whereas in case of non-conventional machining process, tool life is more, and in this we use USM, EBM, LBM. USM is ultrasonic machining process and EBM is electron beam machining process and LBM is laser beam machining process. In USM, ultrasonic waves are used to remove material from the workpiece, and EBM electron are used to remove material from the workpiece, and in LBM laser are used for removal of material from workpiece. And there are also many types of non-conventional machining process. Not these only. These are mainly some of the example of non-conventional machining process. In conventional machining process, we required less capital cost, whereas in non-conventional machining process, high capital cost is required. In case of conventional machining process, finishing accuracy is less as compared to non-conventional machining process. Skilled or unskilled workers may are able to do the machining process in case of conventional machining process, whereas in non-conventional machining process we require a skilled worker for performing the machining process. As we know, it is conventional machining process which is used from many years ago. In this, noise problem occurs due to tool and workpiece direct contact. Whereas in non-conventional machining process, quite it is compared to non-conventional machining process, it is quite noise production is less as compared to conventional machining process. It is known to be quiet as compared to conventional machining process. In conventional machining process, accurate prototype is not produced, whereas non-conventional machining process, accurate prototype is produced. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.